At MakerBot, we believe there's an innovator in everyone. And innovation calls for boldness, flexibility, and the freedom to create. Introducing the new MakerBot Labs Experimental Extruder, a modifiable extruder for the advanced user, capable of experimenting with a range of materials. With 4 interchangeable nozzles, 2 wrenches, and access to new print modes in MakerBot Print, you now have the ability to change nozzle type and diameter to suit your specific material choice. The freedom to experiment, the flexibility to innovate. MakerBot, ideas in the making.